up, let's welcome the management on board of Khadim India. Indranil joins us on the show. Indrajit Chaudhuri, the CFO there. Indranil, hi, thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. One thing that really stands out in your earnings is the fact the tepid top line. While rest of your peers are able to deliver a good double-digit growth, your revenue is up just 2% in the quarter gone by. Walk us through of what's impacting the growth.
The thing is that we have two types of business. One is the retail business and one is the distribution business, the wholesale type of business, where we have faced stiff challenges in the market because of the low demand, and the footwear market in the distribution segment has witnessed that there is a sluggish demand because there was a lot of impact in GST, and the trade has suffered lots of prices movement in MRP, but that has tapered down from the third quarter. So the fourth quarter, due to sluggish demand in distribution segment, the total growth of the company looked tepid. But in retail, we have growth 7.5% in this quarter, and the overall growth in retail for the year is 30%.
Indrajit, how's the competitive landscape right now? Because in the price band or the ticket levels, ticket purchase level that you operate in, we are observing that a lot of new brands are actually coming up, and the offering is getting much more hectic out there. Are you feeling any stiff competition as well?
In the retail market,
yes. In the
retail market, there is a competition because there is a two type of product that we sell. One is the premium product and one is the basic product. So there is lots of competition in the basic product, but we are coming out with new products, and thanks to our promoter director who has taken up the product thing, where they are able to, because they have born and bought up in products. So Ms. Ritik Rai Barman looking after this thing. So they are coming up with new product, and we have launched the product last week in our franchisee meet, and the product has come out well. So we expect a good growth this year during the festive times.
Expecting good growth during the festive time, and let me correct myself, it's Mr. Indrajit Chaudhuri and not Chauhan, so I beg your pardon there. But with respect to the margins, however, you've managed to report decent kind of growth in the year gone by. The revenue growth for the entire year was around 11%. What could you guide us for FY24 in terms of revenue growth and the margins?
In terms of revenue, we expect a retail growth of 10 to 12% and distribution around 15 to 18%. So overall, we can guide you around 14 to 15% sales growth in FY24. And the margin, EBITDA margin, we have last year was 8%. We have come up to 11%, and we expect to grow to around 12.5% in FY24.
You spoke about the the basic product side of your retail business, but what about the premium product side? We understand you're taking a lot of initiatives, such as bringing big brands back home, like British Walkers is something which you've launched. Yes. So talk to us a little more about it.
We are going a two approach thing. In the metro and the mini metro, we are going with the premiumization of our sub brands, where we can fetch the price. And in the tier 3 and tier 4, we are going ahead with our asset light model of franchisee, where we will expect to get volume. So the growth that I am telling you in the 10 to 12% will be a mixture of both volume and price.
And what about the expansion plans in terms of the store addition, etc.? Are you looking at getting more into tier 2, tier 3 cities? Because we were speaking with Metro management also earlier. They were talking about how growth seems to be leading and tilting towards the tier 2, tier 3 cities. What's your plan?
Yes, last year we have opened around 91 stores. We have a plan of opening around 80 franchises and 10 our COCO outlet. The growth will be the franchisee will be in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and the growth for the COCO model will be in the strategic location in the metros and mini metros.
Okay, and just before we let you go, wanted your take regarding, in terms of the various vertical and segments, what is doing well? Is it a premium? Is it sneakers? Is it lower end of the range? If you can, and how's overall e-commerce panning out for you?
Yes, premium sneakers is really doing well. Athleisure has now become a trend, a fashion. We have come up in this festive with lots of sports shoes that will really launch during our campaign. And also we are witnessing that we have also launched our premium British Walker, And since after the COVID, the office goers have started. So we are looking also a good growth in our leather shoe segment. In terms of online sales, we have grown a double-digit growth in online, and we believe to be a omni-channel present. Yeah, our brand is a omni-channel model brand, whereby we are growing in the online business and also in different online platform in Flipkart, Amazon, and we are giving all the retail products in the online channels.
Okay, point taken. And just before I let you go, I understand for the full year you have clocked in a revenue of around 660 crores. You had earlier given a guidance of 800 crores. In FY24 now, could you better that 800 mark as well and maybe go towards a 1000 crore mark on top line?
So the guidance for 800 crores was a gross sales number. We have done a gross, if you see the GST, if you add the GST, it will be 775 crores. Now in India, the sales thing changes. The guidance for this year would be around this net sales of 660. We expect to be around 750 to 775, and the gross sale would be around 900 crores.
All right, Mr. Chaudhuri, thank you very much for joining us
Thank you.
on the show today.
Thank you.